Tammy Slaton, the fan favorite star of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, has been making headlines for her incredible transformation journey, but this time, the buzz isn't just about her health or weight loss. Instead, fans are turning their attention toward her rumored love interest, Andrea, whose personal life appears to be surrounded by shocking allegations and possible legal troubles. The news has left viewers wondering if Tammy has once again found herself in a relationship that could bring more drama than happiness. Over the past few months, Tammy's social media activity has fueled speculation about her romantic life. She has been seen spending time with Andrea in multiple posts and TikTok clips, where the two seem to share inside jokes, laughter, and affectionate moments. Fans initially celebrated the idea of Tammy moving on after her turbulent past relationships, believing that Andrea might be the supportive partner she deserves. However, new information surfacing online has some questioning Andrea's intentions and background. According to online chatter and unverified reports, Andrea may have a history of brushes with the law. While the details remain murky, some fans claim to have found public records indicating Andrea has been involved in legal disputes ranging from unpaid debts to minor criminal charges. In the world of reality TV, where the line between private and public life is blurred, such revelations spread like wildfire. Comment sections on Tammy's posts are now filled with concerned fans urging her to be careful, while others caution against believing every rumor without hard proof. Still, the perception of Andrea as a possible red flag is gaining traction. Part of the concern stems from Tammy's history of getting involved with partners who don't have her best interests at heart. Longtime viewers remember her marriage to Caleb Willingham, which ended in heartbreak, and her previous romantic entanglements that seemed to bring more chaos than stability. Fans who have followed her story from the beginning feel protective and want to see her thrive, especially after she has made such remarkable progress in her health journey. Social media detectives have gone into overdrive, digging through Andrea's online presence and trying to connect the dots between her alleged past and her current involvement with Tammy. Some claim Andrea has been linked to multiple online aliases and has faced legal challenges in more than one state. Others point out that not all the evidence is clear, warning that speculation can sometimes spiral into unfair character assassination. Despite the swirling rumors, Tammy has not directly addressed Andrea's alleged legal troubles. In fact, she has continued to post light-hearted content, seemingly unfazed by the gossip. This has led some fans to believe that Tammy either doesn't care about Andrea's past or is confident enough in her relationship to ignore outside noise. Still, others worry that Tammy may be ignoring warning signs. The drama comes at a time when Tammy's popularity is soaring. Her weight loss transformation has earned her widespread praise, with many hailing her as an inspiration for overcoming incredible odds. The last thing fans want to see is her hard-earned progress derailed by relationship problems. Yet, as reality TV has shown time and again, personal relationships often become part of the on-screen storyline, and producers may be tempted to explore the Andrea situation in future episodes. TLC has not commented on whether Andrea will appear on 1000 LB Sisters or if the network is aware of the rumors. Behind the scenes, some sources suggest that the show's producers are keeping a close watch on the situation, as they know fans are invested in Tammy's romantic life almost as much as her health journey. The intrigue surrounding Andrea's background could easily become a major talking point in the upcoming season. Meanwhile, fan forums and Facebook groups dedicated to the show are buzzing with debates. Some viewers feel Tammy has the right to choose her own partner without public interference, while others argue that the public nature of her life makes such scrutiny inevitable. A recurring theme among concerned fans is the fear that Tammy's trust could be exploited, especially given her vulnerable position as a public figure navigating fame, health recovery, and personal relationships all at once. It's not unusual for reality stars to face relationship drama that plays out both on and off camera, but Tammy's story resonates differently because viewers have watched her struggle and triumph over the years. Every new development feels personal to those who have rooted for her from the start. Whether Andrea truly has a troubled legal history or is simply the target of exaggerated rumors remains to be seen. What's certain is that Tammy's love life will continue to draw attention, and fans will be keeping a close eye on her next move. For now, The jury is still out on whether Andrea is a supportive presence in Tammy's life or a potential source of trouble. With so much speculation and so few confirmed facts, the situation is a reminder of how quickly narratives can form in the court of public opinion. As Tammy's journey continues, her fans hope she makes choices that protect her emotional and physical well-being, even if that means walking away from someone who might not be good for her. Until then, the drama surrounding her rumored romance with Andrea shows no signs of slowing down, ensuring that Tammy Slaton remains one of the most talked about figures in reality television today. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.